For decades, electronics have relied on the movement of electrons, but that era might be coming to an end. Scientists are now exploring magnons, the quantum particles of magnetism, as the next breakthrough in computing technology. Unlike electrons, which generate heat when moving, magnons can transfer information with minimal energy loss. These magnetic waves could potentially process data faster than traditional electronic computers, while using just a fraction of the power. Where conventional computers struggle with heat generation, Magnon-based systems would run remarkably cool and efficient. The technology could revolutionize everything from smartphones to supercomputers, making them faster and more energy efficient. Researchers are already developing the first prototype devices that harness these magnetic waves. While the technology is still in its early stages, the potential for Magnon-based computing could reshape our technological future. As we bid farewell to the age of electrons, we welcome a new era where the power of magnetism could drive the next generation of computing. This revolutionary shift could lead to computers that are not only more powerful, but also more sustainable for our planet.